watching the live conference meeting that Coach Mick and the manager was calling out the names. So I got a shock that my name was there too. So yeah, shocked. Yeah, I was pretty blessed that I was being named in the 22-member squad. Yeah, I'm blessed to given the opportunity to go out with the boys and represent Fiji. It's on to another level. Because my family, they're big rugby fans, especially a Fiji team. Yeah, now they kind of expecting a lot from me now since I'm joining the squad now. So yeah, it's they're pretty excited.